Greetings Photoshoppers. I'm going to give you a brief walkthrough of the Move tool for Photoshop CS5.
So this tool's pretty simple, but it serves as more or less the foundation of Photoshop. You'll be using it to move images around your canvas, move them from one canvas to another, and move around your selected images or layers. So pay close attention and I will go through each ability as carefully as I can. As you can see, the Move tool can move the image around by clicking and dragging with your mouse. This is useful when you have multiple images or layers on the canvas, which is the window holding the image. Now it is important to note that the Move tool cannot move an image if it is the background. Look at your layers window and see if the image is the background. If it is, you cannot move it within the canvas. What you can do is move the image to a separate canvas. It's pretty simple. You open up a new image and click and drag the image from the first canvas to the new canvas. When you do that, the image becomes a layer and can be moved around. This applies to all the other layers in your original image. Now, on top of the window above the toolbar are the options available for the Move tool. The first is the Auto Select option. This is useful so you can easily move separate layers without using the Layers toolbar on the right-hand side. When it is activated, you click on any layer and it can be moved and manipulated. When it is off, you can only move around one layer no matter where you press. Now, one would think that it is obvious to always keep the Auto Select option on, but when you start dealing with multiple layers that overlap each other on the canvas, turning off Auto Select is going to be helpful. The other option is Show Transform Controls. Transforming basically allows you to resize the image in multiple ways. You can change the height, width, and rotation of the image. Be careful about having this option on because you might accidentally transform the image when you simply meant to move it. Now, with any program as powerful as this, your tool is going to have use of your keyboard. You can do everything this tool offers with just your mouse, but the keyboard offers convenience for you to do your job faster. Here are the different ways to use the keyboard for this tool. To access the Move tool on your keyboard, press the V key. To access this tool only to perform the move action once, hold down the Command key for the Mac or the Control key for the PC and press and drag the mouse. Once you let go of the key, the Move tool goes back to your previous tool. To move your image in a more constrained fashion, press and hold the Shift key and then click and drag with your mouse. This will only allow you to move the image up and down or side to side. It's not perfect, so have a little patience, but it allows you to be a little more precise. If you want really precise movements, you can move the image in increments of single pixels or increments of 10 pixels. To move the image in a direction 1 pixel over, hold the Command or Control key and press up, down, left, or right on your arrow keys. This will move the image in a direction by 1 pixel. If you want to move the image by 10 pixels, hold down Shift, then hold down Control or Command, then press one of the arrow keys. One little extra you can do is holding down the Alt or Option key, then pressing and dragging the mouse. You automatically create a duplicate of the same image, which serves as a new layer. Be sure to make sure that the layer you want to duplicate is selected. That's pretty much it. Once you get used to it, the tool can prove as powerful as the more complicated tools, and you will probably find yourself using it more than any other tool in Photoshop. Thanks for watching. Please send any requests for Photoshop to requests@mahalo.com, and please be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe below.